Welcome to HowToHub. Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload photos to the DeepSeek AI app. So let's jump right in. All right, once you've got the DeepSeek app open and logged in, it should look something like this. To upload photos, the first thing you'll want to do is find the plus icon. Just tap on it. Now, once you tap that, you'll see two options: Take Photo and Image. To upload a photo from your gallery, simply tap on the Image Edge option. This will open up your photo album or gallery. From here, you can browse and select the image that you want to upload. Once you've selected the photo you want, just tap Add, and the upload process will begin. You'll see that the image starts uploading, and the app will automatically begin analyzing the photo. And that's pretty much it. Once the upload is complete, you can interact with the photo just like you normally would in the app. It's really that simple. I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a like and hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks for the DeepSeek app. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.